Oh dear, oh dear. No, no. Oh gosh. It's gonna be fun today. Laughs already, I don't even have to say anything. Look at that. Guys, just a heads up, if you were sitting on a brown seat, you will get soaking wet. They are the splash zone seats. That's right, only the blue seats stay dry. If you cannot find a blue seat, find someone in a blue t-shirt and sit on them. It's okay. I don't see. See? Spanish? Yeah? Oh, hola. That's all I know how to say. I'm done. Alright guys, one hand, two hands, we are off guys. Turn around and wave goodbye to those beautiful people on the dock. Yeah! And then wave goodbye to James. Oh, that's a ridiculous moment. Who would ever wear that? Am I right now guys? First thing we gotta do before we get too far into the jungle, everyone raise their right hand for me guys. Right hands up, right hands up, right hands up. And repeat after me. Here we go. I hope that we return. Beautiful, guys. This is the world-famous Jungle Cruise. This adventure without a plot, kind of like Pirates of the Caribbean 4. That's right, my name is Graham. I will be your skipper, your alligator wrestler, your snake charmer, your lion tamer, your Jedi master. And if you don't like my jokes, your swimming instructor. For the next 3 weeks with me, but it's going to be so much fun, it'll feel like 10 minutes. Now, guys, we're starting here in the Amazon, and as you can see, those butterflies out there are larger than life. Official name for them? Sorry, Plasticus mechanicus. That's right, only found in 3 places: Anaheim, California, Orlando, Florida, and Walmart. Now in Walmart, they're $5.99, meaning Arctic Shop's $54.99. That's right. Now if you guys look over here, you will see Inspiration Falls, and they call it that because the longer you stare at it, keep stare at it, inspires you to go deeper and deeper into the dark, scary jungle. Can I get a ooh? Can I get a ah? Can I get a what? I just wanted to hear you guys do that. That was ridiculous. Now we are entering the Congo River in the deepest, darkest parts of Africa. And because I like you guys, I have arranged a welcoming party. So I hope everyone likes parties. Here we go! Oh, that's awkward, guys. No one showed up. Kind of like my 18th birthday party. Oh, I know it is funny. Now, the only thing I know that can scare those guys off is a massive, giant, 33-foot long as a snake! Oh, man. Gets me every single time I go by there. Oh, take a look at this, guys. Here's a sight you don't see every day. But I do. Every single day. That's right, every 10 minutes. Guys, if you're wearing yellow, please do not make any banana noises. They will find it appealing. I'm just getting better as we start laughing really hard now. We'll have so much more fun. Here we go into the Nile River, and this is the longest river in the world, going on for miles and miles and miles and miles. And if you don't believe me, I don't care. You are in denial. That is right. Now, if you look over on the left-hand side of the boat, you will see absolutely nothing. So don't look over there. And on the right, we've got our favorite African bull elephant. Here we go. Speak, boy. Louder. Now, in sign language, I'm proud of myself. Now, right here, guys, is our sandstone, and I like to point that out because most people take it for granite. That's right, it's one of our boulder attractions here in the jungle. Either way you look at it, it rocks. 3 jokes about a rock, I'm awesome. You know, the African bull, we got those grayish cow things, the world's tallest cheetahs in the back there, 1971 impalas, and look at the sleeping zebra kids. Isn't he cute? Aww. Those lions are protecting him from all the scary things in the jungle. Can you read the light tonight? That's right, now zebra meat is the hardest to cook. It goes white meat, dark meat, white meat, dark meat, white meat, dark meat. Ridiculous. Right here, guys, you'll see the first law of the jungle. Never be the slowest man in your African safari. That's right, I think the guy on the bottom there got the point in the end. Yeah, his name was Ahontas, guys. That rhino's trying to poke Ahontas. I just said that. Speaking of Pocahontas, just around the river bend, we got crocodiles. Big, scary crocodiles. That's right, the big one's name is Smiley. Then you got his cute little girlfriend, Ginger. Do not get too close though, folks. Ginger snaps. Yeah, her mouth is kind of like the enchanted tiki room I would not want to be in either. Now, guys, look at this waterfall. Who wants to get wet? Go to Splash Mountain. I don't everybody leave it, guys. Leave. Leave with the rock with it. Leave with the rock with it. Well, thank you everyone on this side for doing absolutely nothing. We did it anyways. It is okay. Moving around the long guys. Right here, you will see a plane crash. And where there's a plane crash, there are others. And where there are others, there's a hatch. And if you don't get that joke, you are lost. I'm allowed to make that joke because Disney owns everything. That's right. Take a look at this, guys. We're now entering a hippo pool. And when they're wiggling their ears and blowing bubbles, it means they will charge the boat. Oh, this does not look good, guys. They are hungry, hungry hippos, so no one act like a little white marble. To try and scare them off with my trusty pistol, guys. Cover your ears. This will be loud. Here we go. Hey, get down. Got a pistol. Down, down, down. Good, Fluffy. That's right. They call me the hippo whisperer. Now, straight up ahead, guys, you will see the Britney tribe. Now, they do like to throw their spears, so keep your heads up for Britney Spears. They are toxic. Guys, when they're jumping around like that, doing that dance, it can only mean one thing. Someone has locked the door to the men's room again. That rhythm also means they will attack, but they only choose the right-hand side, so we're quiet. Maybe we can sneak by. Oh, no, it's an ambush. Everybody get down! Get down! Get down! Kids, get down! Don't worry about looking foolish. I am doing that for you. Get down! Get down! Get down! Get down! Get down! This is the time when the crew's children make great shields. Hold them up, protect yourselves. This is way to go. Oh, man, I just saved your lives. Yeah, you're welcome. And now get yourselves ready for the eighth wonder of the world, the front side of rock! And the back side of water. Oh, look at the back side of water. Isn't that cute? Wow. Looks exactly the same as the front side of water. Guys, we like to call the back side of water O2H. Think about it. Now look at this, we are entering the Mekong River all the way in Southeast Asia. And straight up ahead you will see the goddess Shirley and of course this dark scary temple. Making it Shirley's temple, that's right. Shall we go in? I said, shall we go in? Beautiful. I wonder what will lie at the end. Danger? Romance? That's probably another Disney gift shop. Oh, guys, take a look at this. Straight up ahead, you will see the first famous person here on the Jungle Cruise. That's right, it's Tiger Woods. To their parents for 18 to 25 years. Sounds familiar, doesn't it? Just telling you. That's right, guys. Now this big guy up here, hogging the shower, he has been hogging this shower for 39 years now. He is the richest elephant in the jungle. They call him Donald Trump. Yeah, that just happened. Uh-oh, guys, we might be getting a shower of our own. I'm going to try and steer us through, but these elephants do like to play games, so if we get wet, blame this guy. Okay, guys, look at it. Goose. Yeah, that's right. I'm just messing with you guys. Fun fact, you think it's water coming out of their noses, but it's not. Yeah, there's a little dry humor for you. Love it. Now, guys, we're at the time in our journey where I get to stop and point out my favorite plants, so pay attention. That one. That one. And that small green leafy one right there. Beautiful. Any questions? Good. Moving forward, right here on the left, guys, is Trader Sam. Now, he is our head salesman in the jungle, and he's got a deal going on right now, guys. 2 of his heads for the price of 1 of yours. Anyone? Sorry, Sam, business is still shrinking. Doesn't it look like Mary Poppins let herself go a little bit? throwing it out there. All right, guys. Now I've been doing a lot of the talking here on the Jungle Cruise, so I want to take a quick second to get to know you guys. Start with you guys right here. Where are you guys from? Miami. Oh, me too. Wow. What about you guys right here? Fort Lauderdale. Oh, me too. Wow. And you guys in the middle here? Where are you from? Scotland. Wow. What about you guys in the back there?
DC.
Sorry? No, I heard you. I'm just sorry. Oh, no. And you guys over here? Oh, me too. And you guys? Back there?
Winter Garden.
Oh, Winter Garden. Not me. No, doesn't sound familiar. Alright, guys, look at that. So we got a few from out of town, a few from out of state, a few from out of the country. Is anyone out of their minds? Yeah. Anyone out of money? Yeah. Welcome to Walt Disney World, guys. Largest human trap created by a mouse. That's right. Now, guys, look at this. It is our return to civilization. Aww. I had so much fun with all of you guys here today. I think I'm going to go and do this one again. And again. And again. Moral of the story is, kids, stay in school. That's right. 4 years of college and a business degree, and you could be up here driving a boat just like me. Oh, my mom is so proud of me, guys. She cries every single night. That's right. Now, guys, we got a little bit longer, but it's a great thing. All us skippers are trained in the ancient art of stalling, so I get to keep talking. That's right. You kids like jokes?
No.
No, I'm going to tell one anyway, so who cares? Alright, guys, why does Peter Pan always fly? No, because he can never land. That's right. Why is Cinderella such a terrible soccer player? Because she always runs away from the ball. And her coach was a pumpkin, I'm telling you. It's pretty hard to learn soccer from a pumpkin, just throwing it out there. Alright, guys. Now, just a heads up, if you do get over to Tomorrowland, do check out the Tomorrowland Speedway, because nothing says future like little cars on a track going 7 miles per hour. That's right. Future looks bright. Good stuff. And another quick reminder, guys, parents, do take your children with you, because if left behind after 24 hours, they become property of the Walt Disney World Company. That's right, we take them over to It's a Small World, glue their feet to the floor, and they have to learn that song in 37 different languages. Oh, that's exactly how I got my start here at Walt Disney World. Parents said they were going to get a pretzel. Never came back. I was a hula girl for 5 years of my life, I'm telling you. So it's the worst. Ridiculous. Oh, okay, guys. But look at this. We are getting the okay to dock. Now, if you had fun today, my name, of course, is Graham. And if you didn't, my name is Arthur. Any more donuts? That's right. Now, guys, on the count of 3, I'm going to need you all to give a great big loud cheer like you had the time of your lives. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Beautiful. You guys were truly my best crew ever. And I mean that every single time that I say it. That's right. Oh, no, we've got a saying here at Walt Disney World, guys. When you wish upon a star, your dreams come true. Now get out. Sorry, where are my manners? Please get out and enjoy the rest of your night here in the Magic Kingdom. Watch your step as you exit, guys, and if you're on this side, do go out to the back door there with Connor. Okay, no, seriously, somebody please go with Connor. Like lava walking on the beach. And good times, guys. Watch your step as you exit the boat. Seriously. If you don't, if you trip and fall, get up. What happens. Alright, guys, makes sense to me. Now here's one final joke for you psychics out there.